So we are asked to find a from this question. Well, the solution. So let's write down our equation. Well, a over root of a equal to. We are asked to find a. So let's decide to write this as a divided by root of a equal to. So if we write it this way, a divided by a to the power of half. So that's what this actually means. We can write it as this. So root is the same thing as a to the power of half equal to. And we can decide to apply indices here because this is the same thing as to the power of 1. Pick one of the base, subtract the powers, which is 1 minus half equal to. So while a 1 minus half is the same thing as 1 over 2 equal to. Because we simplify this, 1 minus half, you have half. So we're asked to find for a not a to the power of half. So what do we do to actually get a? We can decide to take square both sides. That is, if we have this square here, and also square here. Because we actually apply the square on the left hand side and on the right hand side, which makes our approach valid. And we have a half times 2 is equal to 4. Half times 2 is what? Because 1 times 1, 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1 or 4. So 1 equals 4. And a to the power 1 is the same thing as a, which is equals to 4. So let's try the other method. Let's try another method, which is this. So firstly, you can decide to write a over root a equal to 2. And directly just square both sides. To square both sides, we're going to be having a square over square root of root a is going to be a equals to 2 square is 4. And you know, if we have a square is the same thing as a times a over a is equals to 4. Of course, a can divide a, and we have a equals 4. So let's check if we actually are correct. Let's check by substituting a in our equation. We have a over root of a. This is going to be equal to 2. So a is 4 over root of 4. Is it equal to 2? So we have 4 divided by root of 4 is what? 2. Is it going to be equal to 2? So 4 divided by 2 is 2, which is equal to 2. Hence, what we solve is correct.